Hello, welcome to day 65, and we're doing a reading straight from the Morning Pages day. I really like this light. That is like, I probably shouldn't have it in the frame because I think it makes me, I don't know, but I like it. I kind of like that there's like these orbs. Cool. All right. That's enough of that. This is from April 17th, 2020. And I like it because I was talking about how I miss home, and now I'm home. Cool. I had a dream I was at Burning Man. I met a woman named Jules. She was completely naked, but I could tell that she dressed cool. She followed me around while I misled us accidentally, looking for a place to camp. I'll know all the things now, what to buy. I thought despite being there already, I was already there. I miss home. Waking up this morning, I felt like I heard Mom fiddling with things in the kitchen. It reminded me of when she used to be my alarm clock before school. Hey, Katie, it's time to wake up. Do you want 5 more minutes? I'll give you 5 more minutes. Okay, it's been 5 more minutes. Wake up, for real. 10 minutes later, why do you hate me? You must not respect me as an authority. This is clearly something I've done wrong. Wake up, wake up, wake up for me. Wake up, wake up, wake up for me. Cool. There's our song. Yeah. Mom, you didn't really say that last part that I said. That was the joke. I just wouldn't ever wake up on time. But, you know, here we are. Okay. I love you. Bye. See you tomorrow.